Welp, it's that time of the week again. Time to make a really dumb video about me cooking something random. Well, this time it wasn't, actually no, this one was random. There was a comment to make this item of food, but I had already thought of it before I even saw the comment, so no you. We're making ramen. This is like the most simple ramen you can literally get. I was gonna make something better, but that's all I could find around the house. Just the simple stuff. We are now moving on to the part where I have to actually think of what I want to make instead of just having a bunch of ideas. Because I think I'm gonna make this a weekly thing. This is honestly kind of fun, and the views and watch time have been absolutely ballin'. So I've got no reason to stop doing these videos right now. So we're just gonna keep doing them. I also realized the pan is completely off center, so we're just gonna, there we go. Yeah, no, it's not. But yeah, I have a half day today at school because teachers and stuff, so wahoo. So, yeah. So I get to play Fortnite for a long time. Actually, I'm probably gonna be streaming, so you guys will probably be going from the stream to this video, if anything. So, yay. No more stream viewership. Yeah. Hopefully this video ends up doing equally as good, if not better. I think I'm gonna do raviolis next, just cause it's at least a little more than a noodle. Cause you guys forget the fact that I am very limited on these things that I am allowed to make on a stove. One, I can't use an oven. Two, I don't even think I'm allowed to handle meat yet, so that's fun. It's pretty much just noodles. Try to make that rice around these stuff in my cupboard. That might be a good idea. But yeah, I don't know why you guys have been enjoying these just unedited, goofy videos so much. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. It's actually kind of funny. I've actually seen people around school that have recognized me just because of these videos. Saw some goofball. I was trying to use the bathroom today. He's like, hey, you're the guy that made I think he saw the spaghetti video. He's like, you're the guy that made spaghetti. I'm like, yeah, I am. I guess. I always get known for stuff on this channel that are for reasons that aren't tech. Back when I made the Mr. Beast bar video back in last September, I was known at school for about 2 weeks for that. It's like that little temporary fame buff. You get that nice reputation for a week and then everyone's back to normal. That's the one convenience of a YouTube channel. It's instead of having to gain reputation, you can just post a good video and everyone in school will have watched it. So that's kind of nice. I just kind of find that goofy, that the fact that I barely have to try. I can just make a really goofy video and everyone's like, ooh, this guy's making ramen. And everyone just goes berserk over it. It doesn't make any sense to me. I really don't get why anyone would watch these videos. I know I really probably wouldn't, because I don't got the attention span for that. But you guys do. So I'll keep cooking up these videos. Quite literally, because we're cooking. But yeah. This is about as basic as it gets. I'm doing ravioli for the next video, so if you guys want to give me suggestions for the week after next week and stuff, yeah, put them in the comments. I'll be paying attention, especially since those videos have actually been doing good on comments too, because something I always try to pay attention for is, do videos get comments? Because that means that usually means that people actually care about watching the video. They care enough to actually want to make a comment on the video. So that's kind of one of my main things, comments. Does anyone comment? I kind of see that comments and watch duration usually kind of go hand in hand. If it's got a really low watch time, there's usually not even any comments at all. But on these cooking videos, how the watch time has actually been doing really good, the comments are really good. There's tons of them, at least compared to how I usually get comments. I almost never get comments, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, I guess the question now is, how was your guys' day? I always ask that. It's time to ask it again. Most of you goobers are actually... Oh, I just beheaded a snowman. That's fun. But how is your guys' days going? Mine's chill. I only had to go to school for a couple hours. Wahoo. Man, half days when... I don't even know if there's any people out there that even have half days at school. I know our district does it like all the time. But it's like... The thing I've almost started to hate half days for is half days were almost always just a day where you could essentially have a chill day because you almost wouldn't be doing anything in class that day. Now it just feels like you're doing school on a time crunch. Like, school is quite literally now just, you have to do all the classes, but 30 minutes. Stinks. I don't like it. So, it's annoying. It's annoying. This is probably the part where everyone stops watching the video because they go silent. That's what it was in the last one, is when I had that 1 minute of silence, everyone just left. That's what I've learned, you just gotta keep talking. That's why I do these unedited videos, you just gotta keep talking no matter what. Does not matter what it could even potentially be, keep talking. Can't stop, won't stop. By the way, I'm going to be making a video on how to change thermal paste, 2023 edition. And how to do it on a PS4 Slim soon. Because, I need to change the thermal paste on my PC because the temps are not feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. And, that pretty much any video made before this year is incredibly goofy. Because either my voice stunk, or I just sucked at YouTube commentary type anything. I just couldn't. But now I actually can. So now it's kind of like wahoo. So yeah, that video will be coming soon once my thermal paste comes in the mail. And I'm going to be doing one for the PS4 Slim. Because if I actually can, I have to clean the dust and clean the thermal paste out of a PS4 Slim. So I mean, I want to, but that's going to be coming up soon. But yeah. I want to get a green screen for Christmas, therefore I can make goofy, funny thumbnails. I think it'd be kind of funny if I did that. Just funny thumbnails with a green screen. I'm assuming the water's boiling now. It is. Now it sits in its hot bath, or it would be cooked, literally. But yeah, we're cooking right now. I remember when I made the spaghetti video, everyone's like, oh my god, thanks for the spaghetti tutorial. I would have never known how to make spaghetti without you. And it's like, bruh, it wasn't even a tutorial. It was just a random video. Like, people just interpret videos really goofy sometimes. They're like, oh yeah, bro, thanks for the tutorial. It's like, bro, it was just an unedited, goofy Hunter brain dump video. I would call this series Brain Dump, but that's already a series. And I was gonna call this series No Effort November, but that's already a series, and some other one, someone else's channel, so not copying. I don't like copying people. It just makes you feel dumb. Makes you feel like you didn't work for anything. You just kind of stole it. You don't feel great about yourself. It's also probably why I don't have a lot of names for my playlist. I just call them random things like game, stream. I'm really bad at getting names for stuff. So it's kind of about it there. I just come up with random stuff. Except for these videos, the unedited goofy vids, and then we have the iPod, iPhone repair bonanza. Once I have to replace the battery on my iPad, or if I buy an iPad to fix, I'll do the iPad repair bonanza. I want to do one of those. And maybe down the line, if I ever buy an old MacBook, we'll do like the iBook repair video. Oh my god. I want to get one of the iBook G4 Snows. Those are like one of my favorite Apple laptops ever made. They just look so nice. So yeah, I want to get one of those, but one, they are extremely expensive, and two, shipping stinks. So the shipping's always egregious because of the fact you don't want it broken coming in the mail. So that's that. What's the viewing distance for that? Okay. I'm just trying to figure out the viewing distance of how far you guys can see on that. Trying to think of a good thumbnail for this video. I'm trying to like make my thumbnails better and better with every video just to get goofier and goofier. Alright. Stove is done. Maybe you guys still have not gained your water dumping privileges yet. You guys still have to earn those. Maybe you guys can get those in the next video. But for now, you guys still have not earned your water dump watching privileges. Not yet. You've still got to earn them. Yeah. Trying to dump water in ramen is so annoying sometimes. You gotta save a little water. Alright. I like to put the flavoring packet in now before I put it in there so I can soak in the water a little bit. To be honest, I actually don't like the chicken flavor. I mean, to be honest, I don't really usually have this ramen brand. I barely even have ramen anymore at all. I used to be addicted to this stuff, but honestly, what 11-year-old like wasn't? So, yeah. But yeah, put that in there. Put our chopsticks in there. And we're done. So yeah, that is that's about it. I got some depressing looking ramen. Yeah. Might as well ask you guys to subscribe just so I can gain some subs off of these videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.